I want to welcome everyone and thank you all for the participation that we've had in this project. It's been an exciting project for MoDOT, for the city of Chillicothe, for the county, for Livingston County, and the whole area. It's a great project for us to collaborate on and get some improved safety and functionality and mobility for the community. We have a great opportunity to do some economic development on the other side of the bridge, and I know that was what Mayor Kenney brought to us a few years back and said, let's do something with this bridge and see what we can do to improve it. So with their generous participation monetarily, among other things, we were able to get this project off the ground. It was originally started with our former District 2 partners. Keith Killen was not able to be here. He was our project manager that worked with Mayor Kenney and did a lot of the collaboration. I know Shannon's here and she put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into the design plans on this project. We had to do a lot of delay at the beginning because of the railroad agreement. This is a railroad that we did not have an initial agreement with, and so it took a little bit to get all of those details ironed out so statewide we could move forward with other agreements with them. But once we got started, APAC came in and did a great job, able to get the project knocked out for us, so we have it ready to go. It's a little bit of a chilly morning this morning, but much better than tomorrow will be. So I'm glad we were able to gather today and mark this historic date and location. I wanted to introduce, we have some representatives from our legislative partners that are here, and I think they might want to do some brief comments, and then we'd like for Mayor Kenney to also speak for a moment. We have Tom Salisbury, who is here from the office of Senator Roy Blunt. There we go. Tom, great to have you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Tanya. It's Tanya, I was going to comment on what a balmy morning it was. Tanya already said it's chilly. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here with you today as you celebrate this great accomplishment. I think we all can agree that infrastructure is really the bread and butter about what leads to all these other things that are terribly important in our economy. So this is a major accomplishment. We're very proud of you, pleased that it happened. Senator Blunt recently offered some legislation in the Senate with some bipartisan co-sponsors that is specifically designed to increase and improve the access to funding for additional infrastructure improvements. We hope that passes, and if it does, it'll be the motivation or the avenue for additional projects such as this one to allow for infrastructure improvements around our state. So again, it's our pleasure to be here with you, and we offer you congratulations on this monumental achievement.
It's great to have those partners helping us out on infrastructure. Greg, I'd like you to come up too. This is Greg Grazer. He's from the office of Senator Claire McCaskill, and I think he'd like to have a few words too. Great.
Thank you, Tanya. I think the rooster over here would like a few words as well. He's very excited. It's an honor to be here on the Senator's behalf. I want to congratulate MoDOT, the city, the county, and in particular the construction workers who made this possible today. But also reiterate what Tom said, that on a federal and a state level, we really have to come together as a state to get MoDOT the funding that they need to continue to do projects like this here in Livingston County and around the state. Infrastructure has to be a top priority. It is for Senator McCaskill, and we congratulate you on this project and hopefully many more to come.
Yay! And last but not least, I'd like to introduce Aaron Baker, and he's from Senator, thank you, yes, Gray's office, thank you.
Anytime we see investment in North Missouri, it's very exciting. This didn't take place because U.S. Congress, an active U.S. Congress, this took place because of continued funding, but the leadership of the city of Chillicothe and seeing a need and working with local MoDOT folks to make it happen. So all the credit goes to them and their vision. This is a place that locals, a path that maybe locals used to avoid. They'll probably have a lot of traffic of folks wanting to see what it's like and wanting to see what can happen here in commerce and in the residential area with this new investment. So we're just really excited of this investment by MoDOT. and the city, and thank you for your leadership in getting that done.
Thank you to our partners for being here. You want to stay right there? Okay. Mayor Chuck Kenney would like to share a few words with the community, and I'd like to turn it over to him. He'd like to stay right there.
Well, thank you, Tanya. It's a pleasure to be here and to watch this project over the last few months develop into what it is today, a new stretch of road and a brand new bridge, which was badly needed. We were glad to partner as a city with the MoDOT and all the others that were involved, and we look forward to it being around for many years. I think we got it done just in time. If you go back over and look at the old bridge, the old wooden bridge today, you wonder how traffic did get across there. So it's another great addition to our city, another great addition and job by MoDOT, and we appreciate all the cooperation. Thank you all for being here.
To finalize everything, I think I'd like to have my district engineer, Don Wisher, come up and share a little bit of thoughts on us moving forward.
All right, Mayor, I'll use the microphone. I don't typically do this, but I do want to thank everyone for coming, and it is a testament to the strong partnership that we share with the city of Chillicothe, with the county of Livingston, with all you folks here today coming to see this. We love doing these projects, and our resources are real limited, so it's always impressive when we can get together and work as a team between the city, the state, and a lot of times with the county. We do a lot of good things together. We have to learn how to share resources as we move forward, but these bridges are an awesome accomplishment. We have way too many bridges that are in poor shape, like the mayor mentioned, the timber bridge just down to the, what is that, south of here. These are long overdue, but we love doing these. We can do them fast and quick, and we'll just make this whole community a lot safer and provide some economic activity as we move forward. So with that said, I'm done. We need to get everyone to move up to cut the ribbon.
Yes.
And all the elected officials, all the dignitaries, anybody that had anything to do with this bridge, please come up and be a part of the ribbon as we cut it.
Right.
So let's go.